Then you'll need to provide 2 passport-sized photos. They should be not more than 6 months old, undamaged, no Photoshop, blank and plain background. Then you'll need to provide your passport, original one, and the photocopy of the passport. It should be valid more than 3 months beyond the validity of the requested visa. It should be issued within 10 years, and it should have at least 2 blank pages. Then you'll need to provide your UK residence permit and the copy of the permit. As all our plastic IDs are expired, you'll need to provide the share code from your e-visa account. Your residence permit should be valid at least 1 month after the exit of the Schengen area. Then you'll need to provide your travel insurance certificate issued by UK or Schengen country. It should include name, surname, and date of birth of the applicant. It should cover at least 30,000 euros to cover all your expenses, and it should cover all Schengen countries, no exceptions. You'll need to provide the proof of sufficient funds. To do this, you'll need to provide at least 3 months bank statements stated your name, account balance, and account number. If the applicant is supported by a sponsor, you'll need to provide a consent letter from your sponsor that they are okay to cover all your expenses during the trip. You'll need to provide the 3 months bank statements. You'll need to provide the employment letter. You'll need to provide also copies of their passports and the proof of family relationship, like birth certificate or marriage certificate. It should be in English or in the language of the country you are applying for. Then you'll need to provide the proof of your accommodation. It should be hotel booking, Airbnb booking, etc. It should include your full name and the names of other applicants. It should be confirmed. Then you'll need to provide round tickets to Schengen area and back. So for airplane, it should be airplane tickets, for bus tickets, for train tickets. And if you are traveling by car, you'll also need to bring with you your driving license, the copy of your driving license, ferry ticket, and the vehicle insurance. And if you'll travel between Schengen countries and visit more than one city and more than one country, all means of transport and accommodation should be provided. All your confirmations should cover whole Schengen trip. Then you'll need to prove your status in the UK. If you're an employee, you'll need to provide an employment letter. It should include the name of the applicant, the starting date of the employment, the information about your employer like address, name, etc. And it should also include your position and your annual salary. Also, you'll need to provide payslips for the last 3 months at least. In case if you are self-employed, you'll need to provide the letter of your accountant or banker or solicitor. This letter should include the name and the address of the applicant, the description of self-employment or business ownership. It should also include bank statements for the last 3 months and self-assessment from HMRC. If you're a student, you'll need to provide a letter from your university. It should include the name and address of the applicant, the name of the course, start date, and expected end date of the course. In receipt of benefits or pension scheme, you'll need to provide an official letter not more than 1 month old. In case if the applicant is minor, you'll need to provide the visa application form signed by the parent or the legal guardian. Also, you'll need to provide birth certificate, British school certificate, the copies of parents or legal guardian passports, and if the kid is traveling alone or with only one parent, you'll need to provide the consent letter from the parents or legal guardians. In case of sole custody, you'll need to provide birth certificate mentioning one parent and also death certificate of absent parent or court ruling. All certificates and the consent letters should be in English or in the language of the country you are applying for.